thermal drones, hydrophones, sonar wakes at 700 feet. Did they finally see Nessie? Tonight, the biggest hunt in 50 years unfolds on Loch Ness. Loch Ness, 23 miles of deep, cold water, and one of the world's oldest legends. Nessie. In 2025, an unprecedented wave of technology, and volunteers returned to the loch, thermal drones scanning the surface, hydrophones listening deep below, and boats combing the shadows. Was this the year the mystery cracked open? Nessie isn't new news. The legend exploded in 1933. There was a major sonar tugboat sweep in 1987, known as Operation Deepscan, where multiple boats scanned the loch and recorded odd sonar returns. In recent decades, drone footage and satellite blips have reignited public excitement. But scientists pushed back, and some evidence was later explained as logs, stitching errors, or hoaxes. In 2018, an international environmental DNA survey sampled Loch Ness's water to look for large species DNA. The headline? No giant reptile DNA, but a surprising abundance of eel DNA. That left the door open to two scientific possibilities. Lots of small eels, or theoretically, oversized eels. Scientists said the evidence did not support the existence of a dinosaur-like swimmer. Over the past few years, the loch saw a technology revival. The Loch Ness Centre and volunteer networks began hosting quest weekends that combined thermal drones, infrared cameras, sonar mapping, and hydrophones to scan the entire loch. In 2023 and subsequent annual searches, teams recorded intriguing acoustic signals and surface anomalies, but nothing conclusive. 2025 brought renewed activity. Local teams reported a potential sighting at Dores Beach earlier this year. The Loch Ness Centre said that teams are now using expanded hydrophone arrays and live stream cameras, and that volunteers worldwide can watch in real time. Some operators even asked for external help, sending out a public call for high-end imaging expertise. Hydrophones pick up all sorts of sounds, from boats and local wildlife to wind-driven waves and human-made noise. In recent searches, some recordings were initially mysterious, but later plausibly explained as birds, boat traffic, or underwater debris. Sonar anomalies can indicate a large object. But sonar returns don't identify species. They only show a solid or soft acoustic reflector. Here's what the evidence supports. And what it doesn't. eDNA suggests high eel presence, making giant eels a reasonable hypothesis. Sonar and thermal blips could be logs, groups of fish, or artifacts of the equipment. There's also the cultural and psychological factor. Once thousands of people converge on a mystery. This 2025 hunt gave us new footage, fresh recordings, and renewed questions. But it did not deliver definitive proof. If you want every raw clip, full hydrophone files, and source links that we use to research this episode, click the link in the description. We've collected the best public reports and official posts there. If you want more deep dives like this, hit like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, what do you think Nessie really is? Giant eel, misidentified wildlife, or something else?